Chef Sal was recorded on a cell phone in front of a fake audience.
Hey guys, Chef Sal right here. Hello fake audience, hello real audience, hello YouTube, Facebook. Chef Sal's crazy cooking show is on the air. Okay, if you've been following this journey, it's been so much fun, I'm telling you. I'm meeting so many people, meeting nobody actually. But I am seeing a lot of good recipes. The most Googled recipes by state, and now we're up to G, Georgia. And they want, no drum roll, let's just say it, Georgia peach glazed barbecue chicken breasts. Very easy to make. I'm going to show you. We have a salad going with it. I decided a cucumber tomato salad might be nice. We're doing it indoors. It's supposed to be a grilled thing, but nothing's ever supposed to be anything on Chef Sal's Crazy Cooking Show. We're going to show you how to do it indoors. I happen to have a stovetop grill, a cast iron grill thingy. You don't need that. You can do it in a frying pan. Just deep breath and follow me. But follow me here too. Yeah. Boom. Right there. Subscribe. And then hit the bell, and you'll know when the next one's coming out. But this is so much fun. Come on, Georgia. Come on, everybody. Come with me. All right, let's get this out of the way first. These are not Georgia peaches. They're South Carolina peaches, right? It's pretty close, though. Georgia's like right underneath, like right down there. So what I did first was I halved 3 peaches, and ripe is probably the best way to go here. I'll show you, and I grilled them, and I got these cool grill marks, but guess what? I don't want you to start saying, I'm not going to get grill marks. I have a frying pan. I'm way ahead of you. We're going to put these in a blender anyway. But the char, no matter how you do it or what it looks like, is going to give you a good, barbecue taste in this here barbecue sauce. You're going to love it. And for the salad, I went ahead and I grilled sliced. Oh, get that off the grill there. Here, see? Sliced sweet potatoes. Slice them as thin as you can. And then just grill them or just fry them up in a pan. Or if you're outdoors, throw it on your grill, close the top, cook her up. 5-10 minutes, you're done. The key here with the peaches, just get the marks on there and you're okay. All right, so, ready? 1/4 cup apple cider. 1/4 cup tomato ketchup. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a half or maybe 3/4 of a cup of a white onion chopped up. Again, it's all going in the blender. Put it in. That's all you got to do. All right, let's get this ketchup in there. Soy sauce. Brown sugar with the paprika. And people are probably going to say, oh, does the brown sugar have to be packed? It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. Don't make me remind you what the name of this show is. There are no rules. Just have fun. Now, this is about a cup. I'm not going to put the full cup in, but I thought it looked prettier with the whole cup chopped up. It's just what I do. Put a little more. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to put any salt in here. Hello, soy sauce. Anybody home? All right. And of course, anything that's bottled and mass produced has salt in it also. You really don't need that. So we're going to kind of whip this up, make it pretty, and then we're going to slice up these little babies right here. These peaches. Did I show you the other side too? It's kind of like a little stamp of approval. See that? Yeah. It's beautiful. So I'm going to slice these up, put them in there, and then put them all together. And so to be a little bit more clear, I sliced up 2 of these peaches, and I have the other 2. We're going to kind of maybe slice them each half in half to get quarters and kind of display it with the chicken, okay? I didn't mention that before, but my director did, who happens to be me. Kind of goes like, Chef Sal, yeah, make sure that you tell them I'm not going to bore you with the sound, but I will show you when it is mixed up. I could smell it already. Yeah, I'll bring it over. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Peaches, brown sugar, ketchup. Oh. Oh. You know what? I'll see you a little later. All right. I'm going to pour this in a bowl here. And yes, I did leave the skins on. I know a lot of people are worried. You're sitting up late at night worried about this. And this makes a good 2 cups of barbecue sauce. And it's not that sweet. If you want it sweeter, a little more sugar. That's all, a little more brown sugar. But it's really, I think it's the way it should be. So I'm going to put this here. And I told you that I grilled all this stuff, and I'm very happy with myself because I did that. Here's my potatoes. These really nice grill marks. See, these you're not chopping up. They're going in the salad. I'll show you how to make that too while the chicken's cooking. And these just add a nice touch to the salad because, you know, who has a salad and then slices sweet potatoes? It's crazy, right? And then grills them. I mean, come on. Okay, we'll just set these down right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my grill. I turned it off after I grilled the peaches because I knew you were coming, right? Smoke and fire alarms. I just, you know, I'm getting ready for you. So I'm going to coat my pan here with, let's brush on a little olive oil. We have avocado oil. You can use that too. I have these real big fat chicken breasts here. I have 4 of them, okay? Might be 1.5 pounds total. They're pretty thick and big. Some people will tell you that you want to slice them in half, you know, and get 2 thin ones out of it. Stop. I like this. I like it like this. I brine these. Brine? Oh no. They do that like with turkeys. I don't know how to do that. Yes, you do. It's very easy. For this many chicken breasts, give me 1 quart of water, 1/2 cup of kosher salt, 1/4 cup of brown sugar or white sugar. Mix it around. Why the sugar? Ha-ha! Caramelization, baby. We want color and taste all in the same package. And 1/2 hour with that brine. Then wash them off a little bit, cold water, and cold water in the brine too. And you're ready to grill them up. Chicken breasts. Hello. Look how big they are. Oof, man. 2 really honking ones and then 2 kind of smaller ones. But we're okay. Look, a little oil, brush it on, right? Salt and pepper. Brushed on a little oil here on my ribbed cast iron grill pan. You should really get one. And we like the lines we're going to get. So you should hear a sizzle. I'm so good. And put it salted side down. And while it's on the pan here, we'll salt and pepper it again with some oil also. But you don't want to over oil anything. Don't over salt it because it was brined. And to help the cooking process along a little bit, we don't have a real cover that's going to fit this. I made a tent thing out of foil. See? You just place it right on top. It stops the smokiness too. It's a lot of oil burning and things like that, but you want to get that dark color. That's why you have to do it this way, you know? So you just cover it up. Not a thing. Let's oil it while it's on the grill here. Be careful, it's hot. Get that other side. And we're not going to slather on all this sticky, gooey, delicious peach glaze yet. We're going to let these things cook a little while. And then we'll put it on 3/4 of the way through. Excellent. All right, we got that. And a little bit of salt. And again, be careful, this is really hot. Don't do anything stupid. Put your little top on. And you can put your vent on if you want, but I think I'm going to be okay. We'll see. So, in the meantime, here it is. I have 2 other things too you might be interested in. Well, not really, but just a little bit of ginger. This is a big honking piece, so maybe a 1/2 teaspoon's fine. 1 clove of garlic. We're going to mince these. Show you how to chop a cucumber. I know, you're insulted. Sorry. But So we have to get the seeds out of here too. So it's always easier to work with a smaller piece, cut it in half. And the long way, chop it in half. They say to take the seeds out. I'm probably going to listen to them this time. It's not a big deal if the seeds are still in there. I mean, you've had cucumbers with seeds in them. Sheesh. Everybody gets so testy when it comes to cooking. But if you notice, I keep all the skins on. I keep the peel on. I just, it wouldn't hurt some of you people to get a little bit fiber in your diet. All right. So just a little scrape. That's all. You'll get most of them off. And I'm going to go with the whole thing. My recipe says to go with the full. This is an English cucumber. You can use regular cucumbers too. And then just chop it. 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, whatever you want. And it's very simple. We have some baby arugula here. We have 2 beefsteak tomatoes, red onion sliced thin, and a little bit of curry powder. We're going to toss it all together. Now we want to core these tomatoes, and I'm not going to tell you to seed them. You can if you want. Paring knife, right? A little bit of an angle, go in on the core. Pop that core out. That was not hard. I'll do another one. Angle. Watch your fingers. Always watch your fingers. And now we just want to chop it. Cut it in half the short way. And I'm going to make like little wedges. And then I'm going to cut those wedges in half. Maybe in thirds. It's a big tomato. Yeah, I'll go thirds. And you don't have to be, Picasso or anything like that. Really delicious summer's coming salad. Okay. 2 tomatoes, 1 English cucumber. Look at that. Looks pretty already. You can use a glass bowl. It's see-through. Your guest will go like, ooh, tomatoes. Okay. See, I'm going to mince 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to mince 1/2 teaspoon of this fresh ginger and a little bit of curry powder. We're going to slice up this red onion, arugula, but I'm going to use fresh lime. Brings out more freshness. This is a fresh show, I'm telling you. Okay, so we're grilling a chicken. We're making a salad, but I'll be back. Okay, let's check on our chicken. Oh, look at these lines. Woo! It's not done yet. Now, we are going to slather on our peach barbecue sauce that we made from scratch in 2 seconds. I mean, don't blink. And we'll just put a little on here. And we'll flip it back to the first side. Now you're going to see the darkness happen, the caramelization. The sugar in there is going to brown it up for you. The lines are going to be beautiful. I mean, it's like the Blue Danube of barbecuing or something. I'm telling you. Don't overdo it. Plenty of time to do that later. And now let's flip them. And repeat. So we'll cover these again, let them cook a little better internally. If you end up at 170 degrees inside, you got yourself a done piece of white meat. And remember, that brine is going to keep it juicy. Biggest problem with chicken breasts has YouTube on its ear trying to figure it out. Very simple, just brine it. And I told you how to do it, right? Quart of water, 1/4 to 1/2 cup of salt, kosher salt, possibly, if you have it. Regular salt's fine, maybe a little less because it's fine, right? You use less. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Stick your chicken in there. All right, let's get back to the salad. Here's where we are so far. Colorful. This is the way you want to serve it to the table, and then you can mix it at the table. All right, let's put the rest of the stuff in here. I have the juice of 3 limes, about 1/4 cup. See? I minced that 1 clove of garlic you were all eagerly awaiting. And I put some cumin in there, 1/4 teaspoon. I put some turmeric in there, 1/4 teaspoon. Just a light salting. You don't need a lot of salt if you have citrus juices in your mix or tomato juice. So I'm continuing to mince this ginger I personally don't like really big chunks of ginger in anything. And I only use a little bit because ginger is pungent. They got really hot. So now I can tent them and continue the grilling / baking, roasting process. It's a stovetop trick, which is the name of my 5th book. 5th? All right. A little bit of that ginger, that's all you need. And then just mix up your dressing. I'm probably gonna drizzle a little bit of high quality olive oil. Use your good stuff for this. Now here's the trick. You don't want it to separate, right? Emulsification, baby. The thinnest, and I mean the thinnest stream of this stuff, and maybe do like a teaspoon. That's all I want. I just want it for a little bit of glistening, the glistening effect. And I want a little bit of that olive oil taste, but I don't want it to overpower the freshness. You know, this freshness. I can't say it. Jimmy. Throw it over there. Now the dressing's in there. It's mixed up. A couple of handfuls of this baby arugula. Springtime, anyone? Gorgeous. I recommend the spoon because that dressing has settled to the bottom. And really just as a garnish, but they taste pretty good too. We have these grilled slices of sweet potato. Let it lay there on the top as it's chilling. That's all, see? Ah, look at that. Can we get a little light on there? Yeah. Let's get this in this fridge. Half hour on that chill. And if you need me, I'll be over here flipping and whatevering. Here we have it. Let's go around the horn. You ready? Whew. Peach glaze barbecue chicken right there. 2 halves of a very ripe peach grilled with some peach glaze. Look at this. Sliced sweet potato on the grill. Little olive oil, little peach glaze. And there's the co-star of the show right there. You see it? Yeah. Tomato, cucumber, arugula salad with spices and lime juice. I mean, come on, folks. This is it. I don't dance. Thank you, Georgia. Great job. I'm telling you, you guys know your food and you know your eats and you know your peaches and your stuff. So let me give this a shot. Yeah, let me see what I can do. You know, before I unpretty it, I have an idea. Do you have an idea? Because I do. Instagram.
Fine, I just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
Please subscribe right there. And then hit the bell. We'll be on next week. It'll let you know when. And we're going around the horn. Look at this. We're already on G. It's going fast, folks. The 50 most Googled recipes around the country. And we're only on G. We have so many more to go. Arugula, cucumber, tomato, salad, lime juice, spices. Look at this. Sliced sweet potato on the grill, olive oil, star of the show right here, peach glazed barbecue, chicken breasts that were brined first, and 2 grilled halves of wildly ripe peaches. Let's now take a taste. I got a little chicken here and a little bit of that salad. I gotta get to the chicken, I just have to. Oh, look at that. That is moist chicken in there, folks. Brine yours. We will see you next week here on Chef Sel's Crazy Cooking Show for the next of our series. In the meantime, I will see you next time.
People down in Georgia come from near and far to hear Richard Best picking on that red guitar. So get around.